Good morning, hi everyone. Welcome to our outdoor live stream. This is Hella from Spider Eye UAV. Today we are on a safe, open grass field to show you how our amazing Dream 2 eVTOL's manned aircraft 展示不啊？If you are watching quietly, that's totally fine. I will explain everything clearly for the next 1 hour. Hi, Alex. Welcome to our channel. So, where are you from? So I want to introduce our company briefly because this is one of our products, and we also have other products you may be interested in. Our company was founded in 2008. We have more than 17 years of R&D experience. We have sold 25,000 drones worldwide, and we have our own R&D team from Nanjing and some professors are from top universities in China. We can support OEM and ODM service according to your requirements. So we make agricultural drones, transport drones, cleaning drones, and also inspection drones and firefighting drones, and as well the manned eVTOL aircraft. For this model, you can see this is our manned aircraft eVTOL Dream 2. The some simple specification that you might interest. The maximum payload is about 95 kilogram, so it can carry 1 or 2 persons, and the speed can up to 70 kilogram per hour. So I think it's very fast, and the service ceiling can be 450 meters. Um, and the flight endurance is about 50 to 30 minutes. It's equipped with 8 motors. You can see it has 4 arms, and there are 2 motors for each arm. Um, the arm is foldable, so it's easy to transport and store. The waterproof is IP67, so it's suitable for all weather. You can drive it even in a rainy day if you like. Um, so do you have any questions about it? Welcome our Korean friend. I don't know your name. So do you have any question about this? The material we are going to upgrading the frame material. It is made of aluminum at first, but now we are going to use titanium, so it will be lighter and more hard and harder, not easy to break. So it's quite safe. 嗯，今天飞不飞？什么时候？We will show you the demonstration later, so please be patient because our colleagues are preparing some works. 好的。 So if you have any questions about the specification, we can discuss first, and then you can focus on the flying. Hi, Scene. Hi, West. Hi, Belfast. Belfast. Hello, new friends. This is our manned aircraft Dream 2 Evolto. So we will show you the demonstration later. Hi, Mr. Hi, Len. Hi, new friends. Hi, new friends. So before the demonstration, I want to share some basic specification about this machine that you may interested in. The maximum payload is about 95 kilograms, so it can carry one or two person technically, and the speed can up to 70 kilometers per hour. It's called uh, it's called it's called high speed, I think. And the service ceiling is up to 450 meters above the ground level. And the endurance is from 15 to 30 minutes. So maybe you can you can you can take it for a short time tourist. And it has four foldable arms, and each arm is equipped with four models. The waterproof is IP67, so it's suitable for all weather use. You can even drive it in a rainy day if you like. Um, the flight controller is developed by our R&D team, and the flight controller is called the NA80. We have two versions about this model. The first one is standard version, and another is pro version. It's upgraded version.
Hi.
Hi, new friend, Miguel. Miguel Tade. So our colleagues are preparing and for the flying work. They are putting the batteries into it. What's happening? They are going to test this machine, and we will fly it later. Um, the material, we are going to upgrade the material of the aircraft. We used to use carbon fiber and aircraft aluminum, but now we are going to use titanium. So it will make the body more lighter and will make it lighter and harder. Today is quite hot in China. It's like in summer. So what's the weather in your countries? Is it hot? We are connecting the battery with the aircraft now.
要吗？
哦，我现在不吃，谢谢，谢谢。
现在不吃一会儿就没了哟。
那那还是过会儿吧，一边吃一边播不太合适。We have two versions, ST version and Pro version. 这是哪个版本？这是标准版还是那个什么 Pro 版啊？
太合金版本。
This 好的。This is our Pro version, and the material is titanium.
Pro version. Pro version. Pro
Okay, I think everything is ready, and when they come back, we can we can text it.
Pro Max Plus Ultra。满了。我如果入镜会怎么？你如果入镜就会很难看。会引起。
Welcome, Arma.
我把你个拉进去。好，你站那块。弹幕将会飘过一堆shit。汉森。你是国内的还是PK？国外海外的。
So besides the aircraft, we also have other drones like agriculture drones, inspection drones, firefighting drones, and also transportation drones. So if you are interested in other drones, we can also send you some details and information about it.
这什么 Spider。
Spider Eye 就是我们公司的品牌啊。
他们不是咱们公司。
哦，这样的。
我们一个公司。
哦。
很复杂。
啥时候飞？快。
可以飞，马上。
快飞吧，我说不下去了。
我跟他说3219559上小黄车。不是，没人看啊。
有啊，2个人不是，这不是1个人。
不尊重人，不尊重观众。
So.
您站前面就变成100人。当然。
So about after sales, we have our own after sales team. So don't worry about the service. We have all spares in our inventory. So if there's any problem, we can solve it at the first time. And if there's something wrong with spare, we can ship it immediately by air. We can support OEM and ODM for all our clients according to your requirements. And this is our Dream 2 Evolto and its Pro version. The material is titanium. The maximum payload is about 95 kilograms, and the speed can up to 70 kilometer per hour, and the flying height can be up to 450 above ground level. The endurance is about 15 to 30 minutes. And it has 4 arms, and each arm is equipped with 2 motors. And the arms are foldable, so it's easy to transport and store. The waterproof grade is IP67, so you can fly it in all weather use, even in the rainy days if you like. Hi, Mark. Hi, the badge. We will fly our manned aircraft later. This is our Pro version. And the body is made of titanium alloy. So it has lighter weight and higher strength, and better corrosion resistant. It also have longer service life. So is there any question about this model? Assalamu alaikum, Sayyid Ali. Hello, KJ. This is one of our products. We also have other drones for agriculture use and inspection, firefighting, transportation, cleaning use. So if you have other uses about the drone, you can contact us.
Okay, what can I say now? 你们不投豆价肯定没人看。
And we have two versions. One is ST version, it's standard version, and another is Pro version, and it's upgraded version. The two difference between these two versions, the first one is about the material. The standard version is made of aluminum, aircraft aluminum and carbon fiber, and the Pro version is made of titanium alloy. So it has a lighter weight and harder strength. And another difference is about the endurance battery. The Pro version has a longer endurance. We can support OEM and ODM. So if you have any special requirement, we can also support that.
今年9月份直接跑是吗？
Okay, so we are ready for the demonstration. You can see it's flying in a steady way. Very steady. Oh.
当然了。
这个怎么转不动呢？It looks cool, right? The thrust is very strong. You can see the grass. It's very cool. This is our Dream 2 Evolto manned aircraft. 这是哪吗？哦。
后边这要有商务有基本线嘛，你知道吗？
Okay, it's finished. 还有半小时，说些啥呢
瞎说，你不用一直说。
？And boss. So just now we showed the demonstration about our manned aircraft Evolto Dream 2. So what do you think about the performance? I think the flying is in a steady way, and we are doing the test. The test result is quite perfect. This is our pro version. So the body material is titanium alloy. So it has a lighter weight and a stronger strength compared to the standard version. 哎，这个我们现在这个机器它能飞多高啊？最高？
飞多高？
哦，
有可能飞多高？
3到5米啊？这哦哦哦。这样的啊，哦。
那我们机载的话就是3到5米的高度，速度的话也是5米，
每秒
3到5米的速度
3到5米，
差不多3到5米的速度。
嗯。And the speed is
但
about
我们有啥？我们是有，比如说你要是救援或啥，我们的速度是可以放开的。但你要说平常的体验或啥，那我们可能就3米、5米的速度，不会很高，也不会很快。那你要说玩竞技版，那我可能放到10米、20米都可以。
哦。
比如说你的应用场景不同，或者说你的这个飞机想做什么用途，它也是的速度，包括高度都是不同的。那我的救援，那我比如说20米、30米甚至100米高，那我飞不上去吗？那也能飞上去。那我飞不上去，我还救援了，我就3、5米，那我找个梯子我都把它救下来了，我还要它吗？对不对
See, I just consulted. Yes. I just consulted with our technical team. So, for the normal use, we usually use speed during 3 to 5 meters per minute, and the normal height is about 3 to 5 meters. But when it comes to some special situation like rescue, we can maybe fly to 100 meters. It depends on the use. But for the daily use, we suggest to like the 3 to 5 meters per minute. Hi, new friends. We just showed the demonstration about our manned aircraft, Evolto Dream 2. So that take off the batteries from the aircraft. For this model, this is our Pro version. We also have another version called standard version. For this model, the body is made of titanium alloy, so it has a lighter weight and power strength compared to the standard version. Usually, we fly the aircraft during the speed of 3 to 5 meters per minute, and the flying altitude we can control at 3 to 5 meters. But when it comes to some special application like rescue, maybe you can fly it at 100 meters altitude, and we can use faster speed because it's rescue, so time is life. For this Pro version, the maximum payload is about 95 kilogram, and the flight duration is about 15 minutes. It has foldable arms, and each arm equipped with two motors.
那个啥，你飞了多久？这个。
The waterproof is IP67, so it's suitable for all weathers, even in a rainy day. Comparing to the standard version, the Pro version has a longer endurance, and the materials are different. For the standard version, the body material is made of carbon fiber and aluminum. But for this one, we upgraded the material, and we use titanium alloy now. So this is one of our products. We also have other drones for agriculture, inspection, firefighting, transportation, and also cleaning use. So if you have other uses or applications, we can also meet your requirements. We can provide the OEM and ODM service according to your requirements. Hi, welcome, Hani. Welcome, Bex. This is our manned aircraft called the Dream 2. We just showed the demonstration about this drone, and the performance is quite good. It flies in a steady way. So, if you miss the demonstration, you can maybe add my WhatsApp, and I can show you some videos about it. So if you have any questions about this model, you can type on the screen, and we can talk about this. Okay, so we will do another test later, and we will fly it again. Spider. The flying controller is our self-developed. The flying controller is like the brain to the human being. It's very important. We have our own R&D team, so we can develop it by ourselves. For this model is our Pro version. The maximum payload is about 95 kilograms, so it can carry one or two persons. Mm, the speed is we usually use speed during 3 to 5 meters per minute, and sometimes and the height we can control it at 3 to 5 meters as well. But when it comes to some special application like rescue, we can fly like 100 meters altitude. It's no problem, but for the daily use, we suggest to use in a low speed. The material of the body is titanium alloy. So怎么飞那边去？
我手机就10%。嘿嘿，我两台都只有20%的。要不申请个手游呢？
哪儿了？
找不着了。
Hello, this is our manned aircraft Dream 2. It's a manned drone. People can drive it. We can drive it by ourselves. And we can control it by the remote controller.
这个也要没电了。我两台手机没电了，这个大疆也要没电。
You can see it's flying in a very steady way, and it seems very stable and safe. We are doing tests about it. We joined the Canton Fair last month and we showcased this model during the fair. It's quite popular and many visitors are interested in it. The waterproof grade is IP67, so it's suitable for all weathers, even in a rainy day. The flying speed is about 3 to 5 meters per minute, and the flying height is about 3 to 5 meters.今天感觉空气质量好差。
全是 PM 2.5。
把垃圾也收不啊，垃圾桶里。
2桶就拿了。
倒到外边去。
外边。
这个咋切割啊？垃圾不能清啊。
对啊。
这个兄弟要自己清到外边去。 因为你能到那个垃圾桶里，他们第二天。
This is our mandated drone called Dream 2, and we are doing test about it. You can see it's flying in a very stable way. Okay, now it's landing. So if you are interested in this model, you can follow our channel or come to China and fly by yourself. We are warmly welcome. Our company is based in Hangzhou City.有人吗？没人我就说话了。累。哇，这天赐直播也太难受了，真的是，播完1个小时。
下午还要播呢。
Okay, so if you are watching quietly, that's totally fine. And during this gap, I'd like to introduce our company briefly. Our brand called Spider Eye, and our company was established in 2008. We have more than 17 years experience in the drone industry. And we have our own R&D team, which includes some professors from top universities in China. And we have our own factories located in Jiangsu and Shandong province. Our annual capacity is up to 25,000 is up to 5,000 drones, and we have already exported more than 25,000 drones worldwide. Our drone, this is one of our model called manned aircraft. It can be driven by a human, and we can also control it by a remote controller. We also have other products like drones for agriculture, inspection, transportation, cleaning, and also firefighting use. So if you have interest in other drones or application, you can also follow us. We will do some demonstrations sometime. For this one, for the manned aircraft, this is very popular recently. We joined Canton Fair last month in Guangzhou City, China, and during the exhibition, we showcase this aircraft at our booth, and many visitors are interested in this model. It's quite new to the market. And we have two versions about this model. We have standard version and pro version. This one is a pro version. We upgraded with the materials and the batteries. And the body material is made of a titanium alloy. So it has a lighter weight and powerful strength compared to the standard version. And we also use the customized batteries, so it has a longer endurance. Usually we fly it at like 3 to 5 meters altitude and with a speed of 3 to 5 meters per minute. So it can fly in a very safe and stable way. You don't worry to fall down suddenly. Um, so do you have any question about it? This is our welcome our new friends Stephen and Father. Sorry, I don't know your name. Joined the channel, and this is our manned aircraft named Dream 2, and this is the Pro version. We have two versions. One is standard version, and this one is our Pro version. We upgraded this version with titanium alloy, so it has a lighter weight and powerful strength compared to the standard one. We just show we just did testing about it, and we find it in a very stable way. But uh, so we are going to do another test now. You can see how it performs. The flying height is about 3 to 5 meters, sorry. And the speed is about 3 to 5 meters per second.
有一闻到那个臭味道，没闻到啊？傻爆了！我也有鼻炎，我鼻音都闻到了，我操！太臭了。
Wow. Yeah, it's not wrong. This is our manned aircraft. And we are doing tests about it.
你们3个轮流的，你们的飞机。
小姐姐，还不到了，小姐姐。
哦，不好意思，不好意思，
我操！
尴尬。Yeah. Yeah. So if you are interested in this model, we can send you some specification by WhatsApp. And if you want to fly it by yourself, come to China and welcome to our company. 再过7分钟我们就撤吧。
可以，等他落下咱就撤。
Thank you. Welcome, Andy. Welcome, Rutek. This is our manned aircraft called Dream 2.
3米多嘛，也没推慢点儿。
跟他招手了。Hi, Mr. Anthony. This is our manned aircraft called Dream 2. So what do you think about the performance? It's landing. Okay, so do you have any question, Mr. Anthony's? Time's time's up. So thanks for your watching today. See you next time.
Nice try.